All right, example 2, here we go. Because, you know, this math stuff, it's awesome. All right, so Jenny's age is 5 years more than twice Jimmy's age. All right, that first sentence right there takes us way back to week 1, whenever we were trying to write out expressions and we had to deal with that whole more than, less than thing twice. And yeah, anyway. So just focusing on that, I'm going to first apply, you know, X's and Y's to people. I'll say Jimmy's going to be X and Jenny's going to be Y. So, all right, Jenny, Y. She is, now I'm talking about math, when something is, that means it's equal. She is 5 years more than twice Jimmy's age. Well, twice means times 2, and Jimmy was X. So she is twice Jimmy's age, and then 5 more than that. So that's Jenny. Now, the sum of their ages, sum, we're talking about addition. Sum of their ages, Jenny plus Jimmy is 50 years. So, Jimmy, Jenny, 50 years. Notice the two equations you've created. They're not in the same format. This one's in slope-intercept form, this one's in standard form. Well, that means we're not going to be using elimination, all right? We're not going to be using graphing because they're not both in slope-intercept form. Now, in all honesty, I could move this x to the other side, make it negative, and then, you know, work it out in the calculator if it's a calculator active question. But, you know, to me, without having to rearrange anything, when they're mismatched like that, I like to use the substitution method. I've got a variable that's already by itself. This is what y equals, all that junk. I'm going to go ahead and take junk and plug it in for y in the other equation. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this, plugging in all that crap. X plus the 2x plus the 5 equals 50. Good stuff. All right, so go ahead and combine our like terms. X and 2x. Boom. Yay, it makes 3x. Still have your plus 5, and it equals 50. Good to go. Two-step equation. Inverse operation. Minus 5 minus 5. 3x equals 45. Finish that up. Divide by 3. You guys know this stuff. And x equals 15. Good. X is 15. You just figured out Jimmy's age. Jimmy's 15 years old. We don't want Jimmy. How old is Jenny? So, what do? Wham bam, plug it back in. Hey, here's Jenny. Let's just go right to the source. Plug that in. Since x is 15, I've got y equals 2 times the 15 plus the 5. 2 times 15, 30, plus the 5. Jenny is 35 years old.